You've finished creating your digital product, but how do you actually get it in front of buyers? Let's break down the best places to sell, how to set up quickly, and how to price your product for the best results. There are 4 main platforms to consider if you're just starting out: Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, and Shopify. Etsy is perfect for things like printables and planners. Millions of buyers are already searching there, so you don't need a big following. Just set up your shop, upload your digital file, add some eye-catching images, set your price, and you're live. Gumroad is even simpler. It's great for ebooks, guides, and courses. You can upload your product in minutes and share your link anywhere. Payhip is similar but has no upfront fees, making it ideal if you want to avoid monthly costs. If you're ready to scale up, Shopify lets you build a branded store for a monthly fee. When it comes to pricing, start low to build momentum, then raise your price as you get sales and reviews. And remember, clear titles, great images, and bullet point descriptions help your products stand out. Pick a platform, upload your product, and start selling today.